friends! Welcome back to the art studio. Do you know what we're going to draw today? Do you remember when we were learning about space and the solar system? I was thinking that a really cool thing that we could draw would be a UFO and an alien. What do you think? Okay, for today's drawing, I have a black marker, some paper, and some colorful markers so that we can color it in at the end. Okay, also, if I go a little bit too fast, don't forget, you can pause the video and you can press play once you're caught up. Are you ready to start? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we are going to draw our UFO and our alien. But beforehand, I just wanted to say, I have a blue mat under my paper to protect my table, but if you don't have one, you can put 1 or 2 pieces of paper underneath, just to make sure your marker doesn't go through onto your table. Okay, so we have the paper lengthwise, which means up and down, and we're gonna start in the middle, and we're gonna start by drawing a half circle, like this, and then we're going to join it here at the bottom. Go out at the sides. And then we are going to join this at the bottom too. Okay, so we've got our basic shape of our UFO. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some little details. So we're just going to draw a line straight down the side. And then we're going to try to keep the same distance the whole way from the bottom of the UFO. This is a little bit tough, but try your best. I'll go from this side, like so. Okay. And then we're going to make a little bit of a circle showing on the bottom. And just to finish things off, add a little bit of detail like this. Okay, and the next thing that we're going to do is we want our UFO to be shooting up. You can see that it's moving, so I'm just going to put some lines coming out like this. You can put as many as you want. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some details to our UFO. So I'm going to put some circles here, and these are going to be lights. 2, 3, 4. A couple little things on the side. And then some details on the top here. Just like that. Okay, next we need an alien. So you can do your alien however you want, but I'm gonna do my alien. He's gonna be big and he's gonna have 1 eyeball. I think it's gonna be so funny. There we go. And I'm gonna give him some little antenna. And then here is his 1 big eye. Oh, that looks so good. And we're just going to put 1 little circle in the top, and that's just going to be a little reflection. So then after that, you can color your eye in black or whatever color you want. Remember, this is your drawing, so you don't have to do it the exact same as mine. You can put your own spin on it. Okay, and our alien is happy. It's got a funny crooked little smile. Okay, what else do you think that we could add to our drawing? You know what? He's flying up in space, so why don't we put some stars in? Okay. So you can also do your stars however you want. Stars are a little tricky. I don't want my stars to have lines on the inside, so I'm going to do them like this. Do another one here. And a couple at the bottom. One over here. Oh, this looks so cool. So we have our UFO, we have our one-eyed alien, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to color my spaceship or my UFO. Okay, the first thing is I want mine to be blue. You can do yours whatever color you like, but I think blue will be great. Did you have fun drawing a UFO and an alien with me today? I had a lot of fun. And don't forget, if you ask an adult to help you by looking in the description, you can find out where to send a picture of your drawing. If you send one to me, I might put it in my next video. Thanks for stopping by, and I can't wait to draw with you again. Bye-bye.